Have you ever dreamed of drawing a cool Spider-Man? Or a pretty princess? Or even an evil magician? Do you want to go from this to this? Or from this to this? It seems impossible, right? Well, not really. Drawing humans is a hard thing. Drawing cartoony humans might be even harder, but I'm going to tell you, everyone can do it. Yes, even you. I have had a long experience in animated movies. I am also a designer, illustrator, and an animator. From my years of experience, I have learned that there are certain techniques and certain ways of drawing that makes you succeed every time. Well, here is an exclusive package that offers you all that with a click of a button. So what are you going to learn here? I'm going to show you what are female and male proportions and how to tweak them to make your human character look cartoony. I'm going to show you different ways of cartooning a character, how you can work from simple shapes and simple shadows to design your cartooning character. But not only that, you will learn what gives a design a character, how to make good or evil characters, but also you will learn how to put emotions to your characters, how to make them come to life. This and much more I'm offering you here in this exclusive package. And if you don't feel happy with that, which I very much doubt, there is 30 days money back guaranteed.